Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to pre-order iPhone 17, 17 Pro or Pro Max or iPhone Air. So if you're using an iPhone and you want to get iPhone 17 Pro, so let's see how can you pre-order that. You have to simply open up your browser. In browser, just go for search, and here you have to simply search for apple.com. Just go for apple.com website, and here you have to simply tap on this two horizontal lines in the top right corner of screen, and from here just select the iPhone option. Once you have selected, you'll get different models here: the iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17, iPhone Air, 16 or 16e. As I'm going to pre-order iPhone 17 Pro, simply tap on that option. Once you have, you can easily get the information about iPhone 17 Pro. There's a brief overview of the iPhone 17. If you want to pre-order, simply tap on the pre-order option here. Just tap on that, and here you have to wait for the next website. And from here, you have to select some option. And here you can see there's the price of your iPhone. You have to select if you are ordering iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max. Just select that option. And from here, you can easily select the color of your iPhone. It's the blue, cosmic orange, and the silver color. You have to select, and here's the storage. How much space do you need? Is it 256 GB, 512, and there's a 1 TB and 2 TB. So you just have to select in which space you want, and here just scroll down and you can see there's the Apple Trade-in. You can see the price here. So you must have to select some option here. Here your buy or finance option. So you must have to select and add your credit card or debit card here. So in this way you can easily pre-order your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.